All right, guys. So I'm going to go over everything you need to know for the create your own Christmas ornament. We're going to use the Glowforge to make this. So I'm going to walk through the different things you're going to need. Okay. So first of all, you're going to use, go down to the bottom here. All right. You guys are going to use Illustrator. It's already on the computer, and I'll give you guys this file template in the Google Classroom. But what you're going to do, you're going to take this and you're going to add and decorate this as you would like. Now, everywhere, so for you, I'm going to have you guys do it to where everything else, you can use any color as long as the color is not black. I'm going to be using black to show that that's what's going to be cut out. Now, what you can do is you can do different things. So, like, you can go to Google and let's just say you want to make an ornament that is based around ducks, okay? So I want to say a flying duck. Now I want to make sure it is a silhouette. All right, and then I'm going to go to my images here, and I'm going to find one. Let's just say I really like this one. I'm going to just click and drag. I'm going to drop it into Illustrator. As you're going to notice, it opened up a new one. And now I'm going to take this, and I'm going to click Image Trace. And there you can see it's traced the image, but now it's two colors. I'm going to simply right-click. I'm going to, I'm going to go over here on this side, my bad. I'm going to choose Expand option right here, and now I'm going to choose to ungroup. So now when I click off of it, I can pull away everything else. So now I'm just left with this. Now I want to make sure that I change this fill color to something else. So let me go in here. I need to get a different color. And even if it is you go in here and you change this color, for sometimes every now and then it'll let so to a gray, that is fine as long as it's a separate color. And I'm going to command copy or command X, whatever you want to do. For you guys will be control. And I want to paste it in here. So now let's say I've got that, and now I want to make sure everything is lined up. I'm going to select everything. I'm going to click right click. I'm going to arrange it. Oh nope, where do we go? Go here, sorry. Object, I want a line, not a range. Horizontal, align center. So that's going to make sure everything is lined up in the middle. And then the last thing, I'm going to click my text tool where the T is right here. And now I am going to add a text box. Now I don't want to fill up this whole thing, but let me just add a text box here. It automatically added some words in there. So I want to put Merry Christmas, and then I want to put 2023. I'm going to select that. Now I want it to be aligned in the center. So I'm going to go over here. Let me go to my text adjustments on this side. I want my paragraph to be in the middle, and then I might sort through and change to something more festive. And then when I'm done, I'll grab that, bring it over here, and remember we do it just helps to make them all the same. So I'm going to go ahead and let's see if I can make that a little bit bigger. And they don't have a bold option, but I also want to make sure my spacing is a little bit larger here. So if you go down here, you can see this will allow you to separate up. So I'm going to bring that down. And so I want to make these little adjustments back and forth. And now once again, I'm going to do File, Align, Object Align, Center. We're good. And now all I'd simply do what you'll want to do. Now, if you add text, important step really quick, you've got to change this to create outlines. After you've done that, you're going to do File, Save As. Oh, I would have messed up. I would have been cutting out this black. So I'm going to use my eyedropper tool and just pull from there. Now what you'll notice is my Merry Christmas is gray too. Now File, Save As, and I'm going to save this as a SVG, and I'll just say Flying Duck. Ooh, careful with that. Flying Duck, Ornament, and I'm going to click Save. After that, that is what you guys will be submitting to me in the Google Classroom, and I'll be able to go in there and I'll be able to go and I'll show you guys for an example. If I go back to Chrome into Glowforge here, I'll be able to upload your file. Got my flying duck ornament, and I will be able to cut out your ornament as well as, there we go. We'll put it on some thick draft board. We're going to engrave that part. The black we will cut out, and I'll go in there and cut that out. All right, so that is all there is to it. Good luck, and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with.